today I'm going to fix this rattling microwave. I've already took some screws out, but the microwave moves so much it's cracked the plate. This screw was missing and it rattled pretty good when we was driving. I don't like rattling. I want everything quiet, so we'll see what we can do. When I put them back, I'm going to use a drill. That's not fun. It is ratchet though. Okay, I think I figured out what the problem is. It looks like it should mount to the microwave with a small screw that will stop the jumping around. I hope. That's what we're going to try. Alright, I think we got it. It is not moving now. We'll see how it does down a rough highway. It did scratch it up a little bit when it was jumping around, but I think I can just go over that with a little stain. Won't notice it. Works for me. See you next time.